Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Frost Spore Fish event to catch the Frost Spore Fish in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to join the event, you need to go to the Winter Utopia and talk to Fanya. And you're going to start the Frost Spore Fish event. And for your information, the event can only be joined at specific times. Okay, and I'm going to start the event. Okay, and don't forget to click on start now. And you're going to prepare your bait if you have bait. Okay, I'm going to catch the fish. Just do fishing here, and the catching time will be 5 minutes. Okay, I'm catching the fish right now. Ooh, it's a little bit hard, but okay, let's keep trying to catch the Frost Spore Fish. Oh my god. Okay, I got the Frost Spore Sea horse. Alright, and we still have time guys. And if you want to know the time for the event, you can go to the Winter Frost season menu and then click on this menu, and as you can see that the Frost Spore Fish event will be started at Wednesday 6:10 p.m. Okay, but now it has been started. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the Frost Spore Fish in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!